Welcome back to Certified Ethical Hacking. My name is Andy Dreher. This presentation will demonstrate 10 more facts needed to pass the EC Council test to become a certified ethical hacker. Fact 121. Factorization is the process of discovering two numbers that a private key can be delivered from. This is especially useful for cracking RSA encryption, where two prime numbers are needed to be discovered in an RSA PKI mathematical process. Fact 122. The audit trail is a detective's control. Fact 123. Since a hardware keylogger does not intermingle with an operating system, it will never be noticed by antivirus or anti-spyware programs. Fact 124. Once a hacker decides to do an active session hijack, they will need to find a victim that permits session-oriented connections, execute the sequence prediction on the victim's operating system, and once he finds an active session, they will need to guess the sequence of numbers to hijack the session. Fact 125. A denial of service attack is a process of stopping legitimate users from accessing the system. DOS attack is a computer crime described by the Internet Architecture Board and violates proper use policies defined by Internet websites. Fact 126. The best low-cost solution to implement for two-factor authentication is a security token. Smart cards are probably the best two-factor authentication, but are very prohibitive in cost. This two-factor authentication would consist of hardware and software solutions. Fact 127. The steps in certified ethical hacking cycles for penetration testings are as follows. 1. Gaining access. 2. Escalating privileges. 3. Executing applications. 4. Hiding files. 5. Covering your tracks. Fact 128. When an attacker gains the knowledge of his target operating system and their services, he now has the knowledge of which exploits and vulnerabilities his target has, and thus reduces his time for penetrating. Fact 129. When a network administrator audits a network with broadcast ping sweeps, only Linux and Unix systems will respond to this scam. Fact 130. In order to monitor a computer without drawing suspicion or restricting a computer from websites, a screen capturing spy will allow you to monitor what happens on that computer. The software can even email you the activity of this computer. Thank you for joining me on Certified Ethical Hacking Intermediate Facts 203. Please come back and join me for future videos on this subject matter.